Imagine yourself in this 2009 Ford Fusion SEL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth connection, satellite radio, rear head airbag, emergency trunk release, fog lamps, and adjustable steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.